Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous class we already completed till question number 6 of exercise 2.3. Today we are going to start question number 7 for the same exercise 2.3. In this question what it is asked, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover using this much liter of petrol? Okay, so first of all what we will do, we'll convert this into general fraction or improper fraction. So for this what it will be, I am writing somewhere 2 for that, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 4 liter it is actually. Okay. Now let's move to the question. The car runs, so by 1 liter petrol how much it runs? So the solution of, here we will write number of kilometer car runs in 1 liter petrol. 1 liter petrol. How much kilometer? 16. So 16 kilometer. Okay. Now the next is quantity of petrol in the car. How much petrol we have in the car? Quantity of petrol in car. How much we have? I already converted into general fraction. It is 11 by 4 liter. Okay. Now how much the car will run in that much liter petrol? Okay. How to do? So number of kilometers the car run in how much? 11 by 4 liter. 11 by 4 liter petrol. How much it will be? 11 by 4 into 16. Okay, in 1 liter 16 kilometer. So in this much liter, this into 16 is equal to 11 by 4 multiplied by 16 is equal to how much? So it will be 11 by 4 into 16. So we don't have any denominator. Can we cancel it? 4. Now 11 into 4, 44 kilometers. So the car will run 44 kilometers in 11 by 4 liter of petrol. Understood? That is the question. Now let's move to the next question. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 multiplied by dash is equal to 10 by 30. Question number 8. For the first one I am doing here. Provide a number. Provide a number in the box. In the box. I am not writing the complete question. So you have to understand. See. So 2 by 3 multiplied by what number is equal to 10 by 30. Now see, when we multiply, as we already studied, when we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Okay. So 2 multiplied by what will be 10? 2 multiplied by 5. Now 3 multiplied by what is equal to 30? 10. So the number will be 5 by 10. Now the second part of the question, the simplest form of the number obtained. Which number we obtained? 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 we have. What is the simplest form? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the simplest form is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the simplest form of the number obtained. Understood? Now next part. Again it is very easy. In the next part, provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 multiplied by dash will be 24 by 75. Again we have to do in the same way. Let's see. So now see, in the second question, provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 multiplied by what number is 24 by 75. Now see 3 multiplied, because in multiplication numerator multiplied by numerator. So 3 multiplied by what number should get 24? So 3 8s are 24. Now what number should be multiplied with 5 to get 75? 15. Okay. So 15 5s are 75. Now the simplest form of the number obtained. The number is 8 by 15. Obtained is 8 by 15. Can we reduce it to more simpler form? No. Both are not divisible by the same number. So it will be 8 by 15. We can write the number is already in its simplest form. Okay? Simplest form. And that is the end of your exercise. This exercise finished. In the next class, we'll move to the next question. Thank you.